This video will show you how to create groups, sites, and configure Install Manager. To create groups and sites, we have to first select all devices from the context filter. Once done, you will notice that the context changed to global. In the context menu under Maintain, click on Organization. In this page, you will notice three tabs: Groups, Labels and Sites, Install Manager. Let's look at groups. Groups are nothing but configuration constructs. You can apply configuration at the group level, and all the devices in the group will receive same configuration settings. To create a group, click on New Group. You will be asked to put in a group name and select the group type. That is, whether the devices in this group will be managed by graphical user interface or templates. For now, let's take an example where all devices in this group are being managed by graphical user interface. To do that, uncheck the boxes. Provide a password for this group. Finally, click Add Group. To move the devices into a group manually, drag and drop the device into the group that was just created. Site is a physical location where your devices are physically deployed. It is used for monitoring and reporting. To create a site, click on Labels and Site tab. Then click on New Site. Fill in the relevant details and click Add. To move the devices in a site manually, drag and drop the device into the new site that was just created. To simplify and automate multiple site deployments and manage the site installations, use Install Manager. You will notice two tabs under Install Manager: Site Installation and Installers. Site Installation displays the list of sites associated with your central account. Click on a site to change the site to group mapping. Installers are technicians who are assigned the task of visiting a site and install devices. To manage these installers, click on the Installers tab. Click on the Add icon to add a new installer and assign a site. To summarize, organization in the context menu helps us to create groups, sites, and configure Install Manager. As you can see, we are making Central easier to use than ever before, simplifying management to enable you to get on to the things that matter most to you and your business. Thank you for watching.